Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to fix a Steam wallet that isn't working. If you are experiencing issues and don't know where to begin, these simple steps will help you resolve the problem quickly. First, try restarting Steam. A basic reboot can often fix minor glitches by allowing the software to clear out any temporary bugs. Simply close and reopen the application to see if that helps. If the issue persists, we need to take a closer look. Open your Task Manager on Windows, Mac, or Linux to see all active applications. Find Steam in the list, right-click it, and select End Task. This ensures that Steam is completely closed and not running in the background. Once finished, log back into your account. This refreshes your session and can resolve connectivity or update issues that didn't process correctly before. Next, ensure your Steam client is fully updated. Navigate to the Steam menu and click Check for Steam Client Updates. Keeping your software current is essential, as new patches often include fixes for ongoing bugs. If the problem continues, head to the Help section. Click Help in the top menu and select Steam Support. This area provides direct help for issues specifically related to your account and purchases. Once you are in the Support section, go to the Purchases category. If you cannot finish a transaction, click I can't complete my purchase on the Steam store. This provides steps tailored for buying problems. If your specific issue isn't listed, select My purchase isn't listed here, and then choose Steam Wallet Funds. This ensures your ticket is routed to the correct support team. Finally, provide a detailed description of the trouble you are having. The more information you give, the faster the support team can assist you. After filling out the form, click Send. That is how you handle a Steam wallet that isn't working. If you still have trouble, feel free to reach out to Steam support for more help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gets you back to gaming without any further hassle.